Welcome to today's episode on emerging trends in instructional technology and distance education. Today I'm going to be talking to you about artificial intelligence and its possible applications as an instructional tool, and telecollaborative language coaching. AI already has a predominant role in the way that we interact with the internet and social media. However, what could its role be in instructional design? Theodore Frick argues that it could take place two different ways. One would be adaptive instruction, and two, intelligent tutoring systems. Adaptive instruction is similar to what we know in ITDE as branch design instruction, where the student can take a variety of paths depending on their comprehension and their assessment feedback. However, adaptive instruction with the assistance of an advanced AI that may be connected to Google or any large database could provide pathways, many more pathways than an instructional designer could anticipate or plan for. And the AI could customize content based on the behavior patterns of the student. For example, their test scores, their assignment feedback, even the word choice that they used in their written essays could be compiled into a database to make predictive suggestions or pathways for the student to travel. As you may know, this ability for AI to follow behavior patterns of internet users already exists, whether it be when using a website that uses cookies, or having to sign up using an email, or your likes on social media. And this data can be then sold to different companies, and that's why when you buy a watch on Amazon, and all of a sudden the picture pops up on Instagram. And so this ability for AI to compile data and tailor a personalized experience to you on the internet already exists. I like this idea of AI being integrated in the online learning experience. I can imagine it connecting me to different articles or different podcasts or videos, documentaries that I should look at that may be in line with my interests or behavior in the course. Given the effects that the unintended consequences of social media has had on our society. In the documentary The Social Dilemma, it's on Netflix, it clearly articulated how these companies were able to use users' data to be able to influence social behavior or a democratic process, the ability to sort of influence on scale the way that people think about certain political issues. And that's concerning when we think about the potential effects this could have on instructional technology and distance education. Intelligent tutoring systems that replicate the experience of interacting with a human being are still not available. It's still something of science fiction. Without the ability to empathize, build a genuine relationship with another human, read emotion, adapt, improvise, a human interaction is still going to be the most optimal experience for a student. To this day, humans are still the most advanced computer. All right, let's talk about telecollaborative language coaching. With the increase of bandwidth for computers or mobile devices, an increased amount of opportunities for different ways that students can engage with others across the globe, especially when it comes to learning a new language, has opened up. Third-party organizations such as Lingua Meeting contract with educators to provide learning experiences for their students who are learning a new language. Lingua Meeting handles the scheduling, the attendance, and records the live session. Lingua Meeting connects students with native speakers from Spain and all across Latin America. This gives them the opportunity to have a conversation with somebody in a real environment, an authentic environment. Instructors can apply telecollaborative learning in other fields as well. Imagine taking a course in engineering and you have the opportunity to connect with an engineer anywhere in the world. Telecollaborative learning allows the educator to collaborate with professionals around the world, contract out learning experiences, provide real-world experiences for their students, and then enrich the whole class as a result. Thank you for joining me today with an episode of Emerging Tech Trends in Instructional Technology and Distance Education.